Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Amang. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to solve a Skewb. I hope you like my videos. Please watch my video till end. As usual, before getting started, I will tell you some basic notations about the Skewb. The colors are same as the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. You can see orange, white and blue. Orange, white and blue. Green, red and yellow. Green, red and yellow. So you can see they are same. And the moves are, this cube moves only diagonally. So you can see this is the R, that is right move. And its inverse is known as R prime. And this is L. And its inverse is known as L prime. You can see L and this is R prime and this is L. And this is R and this is L prime. Means they are opposite to each other. Let's get started. Now we have got our cube scrambled. Let's start. First we have to bring one piece here like this randomly. This piece will decide which piece will be on the right and on the left. There is a blue and the orange piece. So we will bring first we will bring the piece on the right side. The piece will be orange. So we will match these two, orange and the blue. So the opposite to blue is green. So it will be the green and the orange piece. Okay, and the white. Obviously there will be the white color. Now these pieces are known as the corner pieces and these pieces are known as the center pieces, which are big diamond shape. Green and the orange. Green and orange. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. It is on the correct position but it is flipped. Now what we have to do is bring this down. So it faces to us. If we bring it down, it will be facing the downside. So we will bring it here and rotate it. We have to rotate it to the left side. So we will bring it down and make it face to us and rotate it to the left side. This piece will go down. It will not disturb. We will take it up. Now it's flipped and it will be on the correct position. And we take it up like this. So we undo that. And now for the second one, we have to bring the green and the red piece. How I told that? Because the opposite color to orange is red and the green will be as it is. So it is here. It is facing down. So we will rotate it 2 times. Okay, we have rotated it 2 times. Now it is facing to us. What do we have to do? There is no piece here. So we will rotate it like this. First we have to check it where it is to be rotated. It is to be rotated at left. Left, you can see this. We will face upside. We have to rotate it at left. We will take this down and rotate it at left and take this up. So it already came here. If it was facing the left side, what I have done, we have to make it face it up and we have to take it up. Wasn't that easy? Now let's start with our second layer, which we have to match these diamonds or the center pieces. Let's start with second layer. Now we have to find a piece which is in the correct position. So these two are in the correct position, but we have to take only one. If there is no piece in the correct position, we have to exchange it. We have to, which is in the upper layer, we have to bring it like this by this algorithm. To take it down, that is known as R prime. To take it back, it is known as L prime. L. To take it back, it is R prime. We have to take it back, that is L. So we exchange this piece with it. Now this is on its correct position and this is on the correct position. So we have to keep two on its correct position which are opposite to each other. We have to apply this algorithm to exchange which is in the upper layer with this middle layer. So we will bring these two pieces. Now we have to keep these pieces like this. The orange should be in our side and between the two red corners, and the red should in the upper side, and apply the algorithm R prime, L, R and L prime. You can see this piece is exchanged. Now the yellow and the orange piece should be exchanged. These two will be exchanged for temporarily, but don't worry, you have to apply this same algorithm. So our all pieces are exchanged. You can see our second layer is done. Now let's get started with our third layer. This is our first case in third layer. You can see a line and these two pieces are flipped. I will tell you the second case. Now what you have to do is keep this piece, one piece at the left side, and apply the same algorithm 2 times. You can see if you apply one time, all gets disturbed. You have to apply second time. Be sure you don't make any mistake. Now we see only a diamond or the centerpiece in the upper layer. This is our second case. Now what you have to do is keep this piece on the right and apply the same algorithm 2 times, which is R prime, L, R and L prime. We have applied it once and once more. So by this way our Skewb is solved. This is so easy and simple technique. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like my previous videos and this video.